Special thanks to Epidemic Sound for sponsoring this video. If you want to start your creator journey like us and would like to have that peace of mind every time you upload your video, try Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound has a wide array of tracks for you of over 40,000 tracks and 90,000 sound effects. Make sure to use Epidemic Sound today by signing up on this link below exclusively and get your 7-day free trial with Epidemic Sound. Thanks again, Epidemic Sound. Hello, we're here again.
Gagawa po kami ng tulay.
Architecture.
Si Mark, tahimik lang. In key pa yun ha, in D flat pa yun.
Ingat sa biyahe.
Yung kapatid niya yun.
Ay, kapatid niya. Anyway, gagawa kami ng
tulay.
Skyway.
Hindi, groundway.
Habang sinasagot namin ang mga tanong nyo with our unqualified advice.
Apaka-unqualified.
So, graduation season pa ba? By this time na lumabas to, I
Yung
guess.
pakit sa likod, graduating with the W.
Pero sa mga graduate na congratulations. Congratulations sa mga nag-graduate. Naway maging mabuti at mabait sa inyo ang ekonomiya ng Pilipinas upang makahanap kayo ng trabaho nyo at makapag-ipon at mapakain ng inyong pamilya.
Ano ka nagsispeech sa Stanford?
Pero yun yan, as we look forward to your future,
Or not?
yung mga nagtanong naman sa atin na ngayon, dito sa ating episode Munting episode Munting Learning Center. Nagkakaroon ng problema dahil ayaw nila either yung course nila, nag-graduatean nila, and mga iba-iba pang problema na may katukulan sa passion.
Passion. Joke lang.
Wow.
Nakasalita yung composer.
I'm Steven.
I'm still not RG.
And let's deal with everything in a snap.
May tulay na ako!
Dapat sabay tayo nagtatayo. Bakit ganyan yung tulay mo?
Core shape muna before structural rigidity.
DPWHF. DPWHF.
Si Mark! Tahimik lang!
Malahimik ka na lang. Dapat tatlong posting din na.
Okay.
Tapos yung platform.
Hindi na tayo nakakasagot ng tanong.
Ha?
Halatang mga
Mga architect. Clearly, hindi tayo may...
Hindi kami mga architect, kami mga artist!
Slay! Joke lang.
Sige na, sumagot na tayo ng tanong. Puro tayo kulitan dito.
Nanggagaling sa Marinduque mula kay Anonymous Aguila. It was 2016 when I was about to graduate from a business course. Wow! It felt wrong for me to be in that course because I did not want to engage in anything businessy. My passion is in doing music and art. Same here. But my relatives said that won't pay the bills. Also, wow.
Reality is,
Yeah.
sometimes, not all the time.
Fast forward to today, I'm still not making enough through my job which my degree has chosen. I feel like I'm losing years of doing what I'm supposed to be doing. What's your advice?
Ako, ikaw makaka-relate dyan.
Kasi unang-una po, composer ako. Yung akala ko, pagkalabas ko ng music school, magiging banda-banda. Pero naging composer ako.
Banda.
Kasi yun. Banda doon. Happy birthday. Anyway, ang point ko po dito, I followed my dreams. What they would say, followed my dreams. Anong advice ko dito? You have to stick to your job, sad. Kasi there will come a time na you will hate your passion with a passion din. Pangit. You will hate your passion with a passion. Because you're doing something that you like now with a time frame, now with a deadline, now with expectations
Unless
na hindi yours.
magnenegosyo ka.
Oh, unless you Hindi, iba yung negosyo eh. You
May
establish a
ginagawa.
business with the mindset of earning money.
Yeah.
Pero yung kunwari artist ka, tas pumasok ka kunwari, I don't wanna disparage the industry, pero pumasok ka sa ads industry knowing na you'll be creating graphics, no?
Yeah.
3D graphics, tas 3D animator ka, tas anong gagawin mo besides siguro gawa ka para sa gantong chicheria or sa gantong pharmacy? You'll eventually hate it kasi unang-una, you're not making art that satisfies you. Well, to some degree it does kasi kailangan mo i-submit eh at kailangan okay ka. Pero ang ending, hindi ka happy. If you're not being paid well, find a better company kung matagal ka ng underpaid, overworked, and all of that. Pero that's another story. Not everyone will be able to compartmentalize yung work aspect ng passion and yung passion aspect ng passion.
Kung kaya mo i-chase yung dream mo habang ginagawa yung passion mo, kung kaya lang go ahead, gawin mo. Pero kung may pangangailangan na kailangan tugunan mo muna, yun ang unahin mo.
Oh.
Kasi, wala you need to eat.
Diba? Oh, everyone finds a job to put food on their table.
Sabi nga, eat, sleep, pupu, repeat.
Do repeat. Oh.
So, kung kailangan mong gawin yun, go ahead, gawin mo yun. Pero kung pwede naman yung passion mo, yung dream mo,
I-sideline mo kasi ano
Ay, sorry po.
Sorry. Nasabig ang mic.
Dug.
Badum.
Edi gawin mo, di ba?
Yeah.
Go ahead, by all means.
It's called being grounded in reality.
Yeah. There are some realities you need to accept.
Paanong grounded?
Ha?
Paanong grounded?
Yung mga kuryente ka. Galing ni Mark, oh.
Tahimik
Tahimik lang.
Ituloy mo yung agad to. Ito pa meron pa.
Si Mark.
I recently graduated and have been working already for about 6 months. However,
Ay, probo.
parang hindi ako makagraduate in the sense that I am the one supposed to uplift my family from life's hardships. I want to enjoy my life as well, but I can't do it due to responsibilities. How can I make myself enjoy the fruit of my hard work? Good question.
Kasi everything,
Siguro-
context muna. Yun yung sasabihin natin.
So, context muna. Apply reality first with your current situation. Like, kung kailangan mong mag-save up dahil kailangan nyo ng pangkain, then go ahead. Then, kung may sobra kahit konti, treat yourself. Ikaw lang mag-isa, kumain ka sa labas. Hindi naman kailangan lumipad ka ng Boracay. Mag-enjoy.
Malay mo, Puerto, mura din yun.
Pero kung gusto mo pumunta doon, go ahead. Wala naman
Hindi kami makakapigil sa'yo.
So, ang sinasabi lang namin is, mas maganda na tugunan muna natin kung ano yung pangangailangan natin.
And you have to accept na maybe for the first year of your job, as much as reality wants and Reddit and other social media would tell you otherwise,
Yeah.
hindi posible na mag-ipon ka on your first year, magka first 100k ka on your first year or first meal, or baka may diskarte ka or sadyang baka magastos lang ako, 'di ba? Pero ang point ko dito, it's not feasible na makaka 500 first half million ka in your year and at the same time provide for your family. Kasi let's face it, the economy is not the same as it was years ago. Diba?
Yes.
Post-pandemic economy, what what a misery.
True. Okay.
Okay.
Next question. Ikaw.
Ito, mula Morogondon. Si
Paano
Anonym
marugami?
Marugay. Si Morogondon. Si Anonymous Starship. My life is sorry and I've never been more happy with the degree and the career path I've chosen. Parang ako lang, ito yung devil's side ko.
Okay.
But recently, my boss is giving me a hard time at work. Ba't ka natatawa? Wala akong sinasabi. Ba't wala akong sinasabi Wala akong sinabing nakaka-relate to. She comments on my looks, she comments on my weight, and but the way I walk into the office. It's getting on my nerves now because she has no business over these things in my life. What should I do to stop this? Let me put my foot down and tell you na hindi yun nakaka-relate dito. Joke lang. Unfortunately, when you come into a company, lalo na team play ang spirit in an organization, you have to compromise kasi there's no better way of putting it. Kahit sabihin mo na maganda yung pananamit mo objectively, pero di naman gusto ng boss mo, di ba? Mataba ka, pero yung buong team mo payat. Well, wow, vanity.
Pati na lang sila hindi makialam.
Oh, sila na lang tumaba.
Mind your own business.
Una,
Sila mag-adjust.
adjust.
Oo.
Sila yung tumaba. Sila yung magpalit ng pananamit. Pero ang point ko dito, unfortunately, lalo na in corporate, you have to compromise. That's the sad reality.
Yeah.
You are a slave to society.
Modern slave.
Slave! Anyway, ang point ko dito is, pag team player ka, I'm not saying na you have to be the best team player out there. Pero when you're in an organization, sadly, you have to compromise.
Yeah.
Ang dami mong kompromiso, kumbaga, kasi ang dami mong katrabaho eh.
Na-experience ko yan, ilang beses na sa ilang companies na pinagtrabaho ko kahit sa freelance. Ang ginagawa ko lang lagi
Hanggang na yun, kasi
is...
tinatrash talk kita.
Wow. Ako yung pinaka-boss. yung subordinate dyan na trash.
Wala ko, owner ako.
Ang ginagawa ko lang dyan is, you just prove them wrong. Sinabi nila, pangit ka manamit, o di bumili ka, may pambili ka naman eh.
I hope so.
Or kung wala kang pambili, learn how to mix and match. Ganun ko natutunan yun nung una eh, nung wala akong pambili pa dati. Mix and match. And then, pag naglakad ka, papasok ng opisina, head up high. Tapos chest out.
Wag naman yung
Tumak
up high
in.
nakita yung ano.
Head up high nakita. Hello, good morning.
Ano yung kulay black na dirt sa katawan?
Baktol.
Hindi isa pa. Libag.
Libag.
Hindi naman yung kita yung libag mo, pero head up high na.
Hindi dito kasi baktol lang.
Baktol. Now you know.
So, ano na bang natayo natin dito?
Crest. Welcome to Antipolo.
Mga joke mo sa mga taga-Antipolo.
Clearly, never
Alagay ko
experienced.
yung picture dito. Ano itsura ng sinasabi niya?
Tapos yung mukha niya yung Photoshop niya, tapos welcome to Antipolo. Featuring yung
Only Antipolo enjoyers will know this joke.
Ito po ang patron ng ano to?
Patron saint ng kabalastogan.
Alam ko tulay ito, bakit naging arko?
Ha? Crest nga sabi ko. Saint Kabalastogan.
Bridge of Saint Rogelio.
Patron saint of Kabalastogan.
So, we hope you learned something kahit mukha kaming ewan na nagbibigay. Naririnig niyo pa ba kami?
Nakikita na pa ba kami?
Nakikita pa ba kami? So, you hope may natutunan kayo sa mga unqualified advices namin ngayon sa episode na to ng Snap. If you have more questions, you can ask us away on our Instagram page. You can message us there at spacefellow.ph or leave a comment on this video sa baba para makita namin kung ano yung mga tanong nyo at sasagutin namin with our unqualified advices again on the next episode.
Or beeper nyo na lang kami, €69 a piece.
Or pa-xerox na. Xerox talaga. Pa-xerox nyo lang yung tanong nyo. Tapos lakipan talaga. Lakipan ng dalawang sachet. Cream seal. At ihulog sa Dropbox. Kasama ang inyong name, address, cellphone number. At
1 million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to leave a comment, leave a like, and hit that subscribe button below so you'll stay updated on new uploads from Space Fellow. And I'm Stephen.
Sino ba ako? And this has been Snap! I'm RG na talaga.
Ikatap na ng producer eh. And this has been Snap!
Translation!
Yay!